Christmas carols down the street, snowflakes on the graceful trees, underneath the mistletoe. My teardrops melt the snow. Baby, won't you please come home? Been too long, you've gotta know. So much joy that we'll have. Gonna share.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Jackie 254. I do lifestyle vlogs and everything nice. And today, as you can see, we are going to do a rich fruit cake, and I'm showing you the fruit that I'm going to use today is actually a banana. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. For the returning subscribers, I don't take you for granted. Thank you so much for your continuous support. And the newbies, I do lifestyle and everything nice, so please support me by clicking the subscription button and the like button, that you'll always get notified whenever I put or I premiere a new video. And everybody who has become a premier gang, thank you so much for your continuous support. I feel so humbled by your work, so thank you so much. Continue as we head to 2,000 subscribers. Well, as you can see, that is a mixture of as usual butter and sugar, well done consistency, 2 eggs. This is flour with actually baking powder mixed and already had saved previously, and of course a banana. You can choose either to blend the banana or also mash it, depending with where you're coming from. So I will prefer to mash this together with this, then later on come and show you how it is going. So this is a cake that is very simple for you to bake during this festive season for all your your family members, and do simple things, especially with your kids now that they're on holiday. It's an activity you can do with your kids if you have children, and make cooking fun. Like I always tell you all the time, I love baking. So off camera I'm going to do this very quick and come back, we continue with this. So enjoy. I believe by now you all know how much fruit cake, specifically banana cake, is rich, because you know a banana is an entire meal. I had already prepared in advance my baking tin and of course dusted it. So like I'm saying, you all know how rich banana can be. It's an entire meal because of course it contains 110 calories, 0 grams of fat, a gram of protein, 28 grams carbohydrates, 15 grams of sugar, 3 grams of fiber, and of course 50 grams of potassium. So this is going to be a very, very, very rich cake. A very rich cake, and it's good to always consider such when your nutritional value of whatever snack you're making and all that. So this is already done. As usual, I've already preheated my oven, and I will give it 45 minutes baking in this baking tin of mine, and I will come back and show you guys how lovely my cake looks like. So please continue subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting as I continue showing you some of the snacks to make this Christmas. Guys, today is that time of the day. Well, it has baked, but it was overbaked. And these are some of the flip side of baking. So the crust over here overburned, so I've cut the crust up here, but well, it's well cooked, it's well baked all in all. So guys, for more such flips, I will always bring the raw side of of baking and the good side of baking. So subscribe to my channel. After all, we have a cake anyway. That's all I had for today, guys. Thank you for your continuous support and subscribing. Still, we will enjoy our banana cake however it is. Though it has cooked very well, just it burnt the upper crust and decided I will trim it off and then I eat the rest of the cake as it is. So it is well baked. As you can see, the crust is brown, but there's some places over burnt. So yeah, still it's our cake. Anywho, those are the flip side of baking. Sometimes it come out so perfectly, sometimes it flips. So enjoy. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Comment below and tell me what's your thought. Thank you so much. Cheers. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.